We're at the Mechanex show at Sandown Park, just outside of London. It's been a good show for us, and we've met a lot of local garages, and I can just take you through some of the products. So on display we have our carbon cleaning machines. These produce oxy-hydrogen gas. This is the smaller machine, the CC14. It's fed in through the air intake, and this will break down the carbon deposits inside the engine and also clean out your DPF and EGR valve. The benefits of carbon cleaning your engine include improved emissions, improved economy, smoother running, better performance. So here we have our DCS16, which is part of our range of off-car DPF cleaners. My colleague here is just demonstrating how it works. It basically produces up to 5 bar of pressure, and it fires air and water and our detergent through the DPF, cleaning it to a point where it's as new. So also on display we have our high performance parts washing system. This produces 800 psi of air and water pressure. It uses a mild detergent, no chemicals. It has a 70 litre soap tank, a dual filtration system, and is available for outright purchase. So, if you have any technical questions, please get in contact with me or any member of our team, and we will be happy to help you.